What's that? Hey, don't get too close to me, man.
What are you asking?
I'm not asking
I can't
anything.
understand what you're saying.
He's asking you a question now.
All right, it's time for y'all to go. Time for you to go.
Why do you want us to leave? What the fuck?
What'd you say? You're in my fucking job site. Well, get back to work. What is your fucking deal?
Hey, back up, man.
What are you gonna do?
What am I gonna do? Yeah, why don't you find out, see, bitch?
Hey, I'm here all night. So are we.
Go ahead and do something. What do you want to do? Fucking pussy?
I'm a fucking pussy?
You don't scare me. Trying to bully me for what?
I'm not bullying shit. I ask y'all who you are.
Back up. Ow. Ah, they came for us. What is this, code 4? Code 3? Damn, we're just taking pictures. You guys call SWAT on them?
Hurry up.
Look at this, 5 units for what? How many police units for recording in public? Get back to work, man. Fuck off, fuck off. Is that down?
I know you had a company, ALCOR traffic. ALCOR traffic.
Stick with it, They're all construction zoned out right here.
Yeah. Fixing the power lines.
So, what's this for?
Shandula, Shandula.
No, yeah, what's this for?
Shala.
What are you guys recording for?
Just
Shala.
recording out here in the city, man. How about
No,
you?
no, yeah, but for what?
What do you mean? No.
How's your night?
Was that?
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Well, you guys can't be too close to the trucks.
Why not?
Yeah, you guys have to
What's
be on
the
the other
rule?
side.
Why not?
No, it's just for the safety.
What do you mean?
The safety of you guys and, you
Well,
know.
we're outside of your traffic zone.
What do you mean, man?
We're out of your safety
No,
zone, man.
yeah, but what about if a car comes in and,
Well, then
you
we
know?
have to move for the car.
What?
All right.
Yeah, if it was a
What is
white
full saying?
community, these guys will not make you noise. But if it's a Latino community,
We also work in Beverly Hills in the night too. It's not just for. Come on, I'm
narrating,
Paisa, dude.
I
I'm
was
a Paisa.
narrating for my camera, dude.
Was that?
I was narrating for my camera.
No, yeah, but what you're saying that if
I
it
was narrating for my camera.
What?
I was speaking to my camera.
Are you working?
Yeah.
Sick ass fool, huh?
Gone mad.
Damn.
Gone mad for our fucking camera equipment.
Take some pictures, yes. We need to get all the pictures we can. Sir, can I get your permission to take pictures? Can I get your permission? Can I get your permission to take pictures or no? I don't need it.
Okay. Take all the pictures on it. Like that. This one too. Okay. That's it. Got her. I got her.
Nice.
Yeah, got her.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
There's nowhere to walk, huh? What did he say? I thought I heard him saying we're gonna call the cops or something.
No, that one right there, bro. Right there.
They gonna call the cops? That's what he just said. Shh. Shh. What's your name?
Let me get on the picture, bro.
Take him, bro. Take all the pictures.
Right there.
Oh, Joe, where's Joe at?
Is that Joe right there?
Oh, this one.
Is that Joe? Joe?
Where's Travis? Where's Travis?
Sure. What's your name?
What about Tyler?
What's your name?
Roll call.
Roll call.
Sound off. What's your name? Oh, now all of a sudden you don't want to talk, huh?
That's Joe Brooks right there.
Damn one.
The guy
let's-
Albert. What's up, Albert?
Hey! They're just all standing and looking. Oh yeah, record us, yeah. Bro, you just heard us? He said record us. He just said that.
Three-quarter no.
Huh?
Said a three-quarter no.
Oh, we're 3/4 now, okay.
Hey, can you guys get my shoe down? I left my shoe up there.
Hey, it's your First Amendment right, dude.
No one? Like the papa's up there.
Got him, bro.
Aquí, güey. Está abierta la troca, güey.
Fucking job, get the fuck out of here, guys!
They need to get a fucking job,
Go
man.
get a job!
Yeah, this fuckers, they need to get a job, man. Well, we are the Spanish community here.
What's up, brother?
If it was a wide area, dude,
they work,
you would make two
fuckers.
fucking noises, motherfucker. Fuck.
They're trying to do their fucking
Who's that, Ricky
job.
Monday? Huh? Who's that?
What's wrong with
Ricky
you
Monday?
guys?
Fucking you be chilling.
I knew where you guys were at.
Oh, you be chilling. What's up?
I went.
I just ran.
I went to the wrong place, to the other taco stand over
Yeah.
there. He's fucking navigating.
Hey, everybody's following STV now. How you doing? Good, good.
5 days in a row.
Yeah. Sick. Let's go cop watching, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, bro. You live around here or
In Ontario.
Ontario? Oh, that's right. That's right.
Yeah.
Not that far, right?
Yeah, well,
Yeah, appreciate your support, brother. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, always, dude.
Yeah, bro. Let's do it. We go with everybody. Hey, what's your name? Well, it looks like they're respecting our rights, I guess.
Yo!
Not at first.
Hey, Joe wants to interview.
Man, that shit is high. That shit is high.
What's up, Joe? How are you?
What's up?
What's going on today?
Huh?
What's going on today?
Someone talking to you.
Talking to me.
I know. How you know my name?
Huh?
How you know my name?
Oh, we know a lot.
We know a lot of things.
Shut up. What's going on?
Joe Brooks, how are you? Can you tell us what's going on here today?
The conductor.
A what?
Who am I talking to?
You're talking to me.
No.
A concerned citizen, sir.
A concerned citizen.
That's right.
That knows my name.
That's right. I know your employees too. Where's Travis? Where's Travis? Travis is here, right? There's Travis, the big guy. All right. Where's Albert? Is that Albert up there or is that one over there?
Hello, Albert.
Yeah.
Albert Arias, where is he at? Yeah, he's somewhere. That's it. All right, so what's going on, sir?
Hey, what are you guys doing? Just fixing the power lines, or?
Fixing the power lines.
Okay.
No, you don't gotta go into too much detail.
Oh, the cops are here, bro.
Just pull a new wire. Who are y'all with?
Bro, they driving by. Oh, they don't care. They just drove by.
You still didn't tell me how you knew my name.
It's public info.
Yeah, I got you.
We know everything, man.
Be safe, go ahead, make sure everybody's got the PPE.
Everybody, as long as you're safe inside the cones. Right there's the open traffic light.
No, but that clothes right there. So I'm safe.
Yeah. Bro, he was like, what the fuck? Oh, yeah.
Hey, take this poll number, then I'll send you the wire. I got it!
Okay. Auditing the audit is that? Hold on, no pictures, sir.
I'm
No
not authorizing
Hey, you don't have my permission. You don't have my permission.
I'm not authorizing you to take pictures.
What is this? All of a sudden you
No
can take
picture.
pictures now?
No pictures.
Dude, I don't give you permission to take pictures. Why'd you do that, man? Why are you taking pictures of us? I don't understand.
When I start getting questioned, I'm gonna show them.
Why? Who you gonna show, dude?
Whoever y'all call into.
No, but this is private info. You can't have anything.
You had my name.
I don't have it. He has it.
What's your name anyway?
My name's Joe.
Joe?
Joe.
Hey, Joe, how you doing?
In the house.
Joe.
He wants to rub off on his pictures later.
Stand there in case he drops something.
Get that on now. Move it out.
Fuck that.
Pull it up too.
Are we safe here?
Why do you take pictures like 2 hours later then?
You guys should have some like walkie-talkies.
What?
You should have walkie-talkies and like yelling at each other.
I've got to communicate.
Or you don't have walkie-talkies or what?
Yo, watch out from under here. It's gonna.
All the neighbors right here. That would be a good idea. Bring out some radios.
Yeah, right.
It's the traffic controller right there.
No,
All this other equipment, but you don't have radios.
No, they just want to yell it out.
Hey, what's your traffic controller? I think your traffic controller sucks. He's not controlling anything.
Where you guys based out of? Hey, where you guys based out of? Where you guys based out of? Like the headquarters?
Based at Irwindale.
Huh?
Irwindale.
Irwindale. Oh, okay. You work for the city, right? Or is it a private company?
We work for agents.
An agency? Oh, it's contracted. Oh, okay. You guys working here all night or?
No, it's done.
All right. You guys ask us questions, we can ask you questions, right?
I could care less.
Oh, okay.
I just asked how you knew my name.
Me? That wasn't me, that was him.
He's our psychic reader.
You guys are a government contract.
You need to drink more coffee.
Online.
What?
What's that? Hey, don't get too close to me, man.
What are you asking?
I'm not
I
asking
can't
anything.
understand what you're saying.
He's asking you a question now.
All right, it's time for y'all to go.
Time for you to
Why do you want us to leave? What the fuck?
What'd you say?
get back to work.
You're in my fucking job site.
Well, get back to work.
I'm tired of the fucking games here.
Coffee. I don't think
If you got something going, go right over and do it. But you're in my fucking job site. So we're right, we're good?
Oh, are we good,
Hey,
man?
where's traffic at?
Oh, very professional. Bro, I think he's drinking on the job, man. Are you drinking on the job?
Let's call the cops.
Sir, are you drinking on the job? Oh, shit, he got mad quick.
Uh-oh, he's tired.
Ooh, he got mad quick, bro.
I'm sorry, are we inside your phone?
Get out of my job site.
Call the cops.
You can do whatever you want to from over there. I can't tell you guys to film or whatever, but you're in my job site. Any side, anywhere here is my job site.
You moved the phone. It was in the middle earlier.
Come on, Joe.
I'm playing games. I got a job to do.
We're about our own safety.
I try to be nice.
We're just watching you. That's it. Simple. Nobody's playing games.
You need to get your panties in a bunch, sir.
Trevor's not doing a good
Your hair's
job.
gonna fall off, man.
Keep drinking more.
Call the cops. Yeah, they can deal with that.
Drink some more. It's good.
Travis supposed to be the traffic controller.
You're
You're doing a good job, Travis.
It's like it depends who you're saying right about that traffic.
Pathetic, Travis.
You guys see this fool?
You need to upgrade those depends to destroyers.
Dude, he got mad quick for like, oh my god.
I'm at 'em.
Huh?
That's
Bro, he flipped the fuck out. He just flipped out. They should have some traffic out here, yo. Yeah, smoke that cigarette, yeah. Damn, this fool just fucking flipped the fuck out. Is that when I asked him where you guys out from and then he just flips out? That pissed him off, yeah. Yeah.
That's an R or what?
Is that down? Look at that.
Put the R up on it?
Yeah. Hold on, bro. What is he doing? He's gonna call the cops. So. Clear! Oh! Hey! Yeah, call the cops. Hey, do you have a Bud Light or what's the other one? Coors Light in your drink? Bud Light or Coors Light? Or Corona? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Why are you so mad?
Dude, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. Get the fuck away from my truck.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Who you talking to, man?
Get away from my truck. I don't know what you guys hell is, but it needs to fucking stop.
Why you so mad?
I'm not mad, dude. I asked y'all a couple of questions. Y'all want to ask them all the damn questions. Think that's some joke to me? I got a job to do. That's what I'm doing.
Then do it. Yo, SUV. He almost went hands on, man. He's getting too close to us. Oh, yeah? Check this fool out, bro. You know what the fuck he thinks he's cursing at us and stuff? Don't let him get that close to you, bro. This is a crazy fool. The fuck? Why are you cursing at us and shit? You work for the public, man. What's that?
What is your fucking deal?
Hey, back up, man.
What are you gonna do?
What am I gonna do? Yeah, why don't you find out a seat, bitch?
Hey, I'm here all night.
So are we.
Go ahead and do something. What do you want to do? Fucking pussy?
I'm a fucking pussy.
You don't scare me. Trying to bully me for what?
I'm not bullying shit. I ask y'all who you are.
Back up.
I ask you who you are.
Relax, man.
Yeah, this is my business. This is my job.
Yeah, this is our business, man. Hey, what are you turning the flash on, man?
He wants to fight us. That's what he wants to do.
Yeah, what are you turn the flashlight on, dude?
Like, I don't know what y'all deal with.
You don't need to know.
I don't even care.
Back up. I'm warning you.
I'll go wherever I want.
No, back up.
This is my job. My job.
It's the last warning.
Oh, y'all smart, man. Fucking jackass.
He owns the whole street, I guess.
Hey, why don't you go get a real fucking job?
You're so tough.
Turn the light off.
Damn. This guy needs mental help right here. He just flipped the fuck out. Yeah, never let them get that close to you, bro. Damn. Hey, they're not gonna batter us today. Is that down? I'll pull out my taser. I don't give a fuck.
Turn the light off.
Turn the light off, man. Man, you guys are some bitches, man. All of a sudden, huh? You guys are funny. You have nothing better to do. I thought you guys called the cops. What happened? Fuckers. Come over here. Oh yeah, I don't understand. That's what they do. They yell instead of having radios. They have to yell. Turn the light off.
You're blinding me, dude.
Hey, turn that light off, bitch. SUV, watch out, bro. Yo, he's coming, bro. No, hey, don't put hands on people. What's wrong with y'all? All of a sudden, you just, what the fuck?
All they was asking to go back on the truck. This is set up for public safety.
Yeah.
Don't fucking call what's wrong over there, man.
Man, y'all are drunk. You guys are drunk. You've been drinking that fucking beer. That's what's in your drink.
Dude, the cool was over here earlier. Look,
Move it in. Move it in. You gotta move it in, man.
You don't know where to put the cones at? You don't know how to make a straight line?
Street, you're blocking the second lane.
That's it right
right over there, dude. And now you move it back? What the hell?
As soon as we come, they want to adjust it. They can't get it right the first time.
Get off the light on my face, dude.
That's because of us. That's why.
You violating
Fucking
the law.
butthurt people.
You violating the law, dude.
Yeah, it's called the Bain Act. You're violating the Bain Act. It's a federal crime, so stop that. Construction workers gone wild. Nah, tell them they don't want to come. They don't want to hear your fucking crying bullshit.
How many YouTube videos you guys got?
It's none of your business, fucker.
Who said YouTube?
My business.
We were at the news.
I think that shit's funny.
Yeah, man, you can't even talk. You're drunk.
Light up the camera.
You're slurring your words. How much you been drinking, dude?
If you got 25K in your pocket, keep bringing that fucking camera on.
Let's do a DUI test. Come on.
Keep fighting it.
Will you do a DUI test, a field sobriety test? Fucking drunk motherfuckers.
Pan back by Joe. Joe's giving us the pan.
You don't have my permission.
I open the camera, guys.
Hey, you need my permission to take those pictures. Fucking fools. Is that down? Oh! Want to get in my face? Fuck you. The cops ain't coming. Tell them we said a fuck off too. Fucking crybabies. Are the cops coming? Are the cops coming? They are? All right. Let's have a party in this bitch. See, honestly, I thought they were pretty cool, but I guess they're not. So.
They were cool at first, and then after drinking started.
Dude, I don't know what they're drinking and smoking. Must be that fucking bull. I thought you want to take a swing on me, pussy. I thought you want to fight. Fucking pussy.
Come on.
Wow. They got the helicopter on us. What the fuck? Damn. This is like a 5-star in GTA. Look what you guys did. Calling the fucking SWAT on us. Helicopter.
Beautiful.
Hey! Can you hear us? Ah, suck it! Bam! Take that light out! That's a Baynack violation! Should've brought your megaphone, bro. Who has a bright light? Damn! Look what you did, fucking Joe! What is this, code 4? Code 3? Damn, we're just taking pictures? You guys call SWAT on us? Look at this, 5 units for what? How many police units for recording in public? Get back to work, man. And I hope you don't arrest me for telling you fuck off. You gonna arrest me for saying fuck off? Freedom of speech, bitch. Put on your seatbelt, I'm gonna arrest you. Damn. They sent out the whole SWAT team, the police department out here. Or sheriff. Man, you guys have nothing better to do. Turn on your lights, bitch!
Yeah.
Turn on your lights!
Wow. That was a holy shit.
He's gonna kill somebody.
And you know I said it.
Back to work, pussy!
Why are you guys driving all stupid for?
All these cops for what? Taking pictures? Damn!
Nothing going on here, man. Just some workers.
Yeah.
Working on the poles and stuff. Trying to
All these cops for us?
I don't know who they're for.
All we're doing is we're filming them, that's it.
Yeah, we're just filming the workers, man. Okay. Have a good night.
Oh, you guys are out of the way. I'm cool with it.
A helicopter and 4 units, might as well call in the SWAT team too.
They're sleepy.
Man, get the fuck out of here. Fuck off! Fuck off!
Alright, you too, man.
You're under arrest. Go! Back to work!
You guys are moving.
Back to work! Back to work! Back to work! Back to work! Back to work!
Move it.
You sent out the whole
Move it.
You sent out the whole department for what? For nothing. Fucking gangs. Turn on your lights. You're under arrest. Back to work, bitches. Fucking 10 cops for nothing. Yeah. Woo! This is fun. Yeah, I've never seen this before. Bye. Fuck off. Damn, bro. What does it take to get a helicopter of 5 units on you?
Joe, told them everything was good.
It's that down.
Man, look what you did, Joe. You sent out the whole department over here for your crybaby bullshit. What'd you tell them?
They should fail, huh, Joe?
What did you tell them for a response like that?
They should fail, man.
What did you say? What did you say? Tell them for all that.
You guys stuck with us.
Damn. Do you know about the First Amendment, dude?
Y'all might as well get over and pick up a shovel. Start sweeping.
Yeah,
Y'all might as well start sweeping.
Man, we ain't your slave, bitch. You pick up a
Who the fuck you talking to, bitch? We ain't your
I
slave.
order you.
I
I'm
ain't your
your
fucking
boss.
bitch, motherfucker.
Yeah, you
You
are.
are our bitch.
fuck you.
You're a slave.
Yeah, fuck you.
Fuck you. Why don't you get to work? Why don't all you 4 of you guys get to
I'm the
work
boss.
standing
Why
around?
don't you pick up the shovel, bitch?
Yeah, you're the boss. You're the scum.
Get to work, bitch.
Get to work, bitch.
Shovel,
I know who the fucking bitches are.
You're the slave. Get back to work, motherfucker.
Yeah. Back to work, motherfucker.
That's right.
you ain't never
That's
done a
right.
day's
That's
work in your
right.
fucking life.
Shut up. We do the same thing as you, man. We
I was
do
trying to
construction
feed it.
work in
Pulled
the
it,
cars
pulled it
like
off
you
the
should.
hook.
Ladies, we're about to
Yeah, he's drunk.
Before you call the helicopter back out here, being a little crybaby
Fucking
kid.
a helicopter 5 units, bro. You see that shit? Yeah, more beer.
Sit that high man.
You're still crying, huh? What did they? They coming back, bro? Oh no, they went the other way. Okay.
Damn.
God.
Failed. Intimidation failed.
Intimidation fail, bro. Fucking bully. Barking orders at us. Who the fuck you think you are?
This guy's a pussy, though.
Still talking shit, huh? I'll drop my taser and everything. We fight one-on-one. Let's do it.
You're supposed to take care of
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
fire.
All of you bitches get back to work. You're contracted by the government. We pay you.
They're coming back, guys.
You work for us. Nah, they're going the other way.
Oh, no, it's a lift. Never mind.
Nah, they don't give a fuck. They're like, we're out of here.
You guys want to call back?
Fucking crying.
That was a nice parade we got.
They want to cry.
That was fucking fun.
Yarons? Nobody wants to hear your crybaby and bullshit. Hold on, Joe wants to act tough a few times. He wants to talk and then go back over there.
You guys thinking it's New Year this year? Want a parade? They didn't bring no fucking balloons.
Where you at, Joe?
Thank you.
All of you guys better get back to work, or I'm gonna fire you. Talking all that bullshit.